Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 low audio. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Fifth method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Select Show Disconnected Device, also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select Audio Device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Enhancements, check Disable all enhancements. Click Advanced, change default format 1 by 1, select Best One. Sixth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand System. Click and expand Control Set 001, click and expand Control. Click and expand Bluetooth, click and expand Audio, click and expand AVRCP. Click CT. Open Disable Absolute Volume, change value data to 1. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.